How to fix Chrome browser slow option, slow problem. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So what you wanna do is very simple. Go to those three dots here in the top and then go into this settings option, and after that go into this system option, and right here you want to do two things, which is disable this option which says continue running background apps, disable it, and disable the hardware acceleration. When you disable those two options and then go to the reset and clean, right here you have to click on restore settings to their original default and click on reset. Don't forget to like, subscribe.